In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Google Tasks. If you use Google Tasks to keep track of your to-dos, there may come a time when a list has served its purpose and you want to remove it for good. The process is quick, and you can do it right from your computer in either Gmail or Google Calendar. Start by opening Gmail or Google Calendar in your web browser. On the right side of the screen, look for the Tasks panel. It's the small sidebar that sits alongside Calendar, Keep, and other tools. If you don't see it immediately, hover near the right edge of the window and the panel should appear. Click the Tasks icon to open it. Next, make sure you're viewing the list you want to delete. In the Tasks panel, you'll see your current list name at the top with your tasks underneath. If you manage multiple lists, you can switch between them by using the List selector near the top of the panel. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct list, because the next action affects everything inside it. Now look for the 3 vertical dots next to the list name. That's the More Options menu. Click it, and then choose Delete List. This is the command that removes the entire list at once. Deleting a list also deletes all the tasks inside that list, including any subtasks, due dates, and notes. There's no trash or undo for deleted lists in Google Tasks, so consider whether you might need any of those items before proceeding. One important limitation to keep in mind is that you may not be able to delete your default list right away. Google Tasks requires you to have at least one list, so if it's your only list, the delete option might be disabled. That's expected behavior. Here's a quick fix if delete is disabled. Create a new list, switch to that new list so it becomes your active one, and then go back and delete the old list. Once there's another list in place, the delete option for the original list should become available. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail or Google Calendar, access the Tasks panel, select the correct list, open the 3-dot menu, and choose Delete List. With a little care and a quick double check, you can keep your Google Tasks organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you want to follow along step by step.